ready. You can check the color. And hello friends, so today I'm gonna make kebab biryani. So here I have these 12 kebabs, and you can take any kebab the taste you like. And here I have 2 large onions. I just cut them thinly, sliced them. And now I have 1 cup olive oil. So now I will fry them till they are getting golden brown. So here you can see I'm gonna fry these kebabs, and then I will dish them out and I will show you. And our onions are fried well. So now I will add some tomatoes. So here I'm gonna add these tomatoes. I have 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes and 3 green chilies. So now, as you can see, our onions and our tomatoes are fried well. So here I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I will mix it well. And now it's time to add masala. Here I'm gonna use this Sindhi biryani masala, Shan biryani masala. I really like the taste of Shan masala. So here I'm gonna add this Greek style yogurt. You can add any yogurt. I'm just gonna use 1 cup. So here I will add this. So now I'm gonna add pinch of ginger powder and pinch of garlic powder. So now I'm gonna add these dried plums. Already they were having in masala, but I like it more, so I will add a little bit more. Now you can see the masala is cooked well. You can see the oil on the top and little bubbles here. Now it's time to add all these cooked kebabs. And I will mix it and I will cover it for 5 minutes and let it cook. Then I will show you. So here I soak this rice and the water is boiling here. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon salt in it, and I will mix it. When it will start boiling, then I will add the rice. Here I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Whenever I boil the rice, I always add it, because by adding the vinegar, the rice look more long and they are not sticky. So it's very good. You can try it as well. So now you can see the water is boiling, and here I will strain the excessive water from the rice, and then I will put them in the water. I'm gonna add these rice in the whole water, and I will let it cook till the rice are ready 1/3, and then I will show you. My flame is high, so I will cook it on high flame now. As you can see, our rice are boiled now. I just checked them. They are now cooked well, the way we want. So I will just stain it in colander. So as you can see, our kebab biryani gravy is ready. So now I'm gonna layer the boiled rice on top. I will garnish it with some mint leaves. And now I will add some food color in the middle. And now I will lower the flame and I will cover it, and I will put it on them for 10 minutes. So here I'm gonna make chutney with biryani. So I have fresh coriander, few mint leaves, some pieces of cucumber, 2 green chilies, and 1 clove of garlic. So I will add it in the blender, and then I will add half cup of water as well, and I will blend it. So here you can see our green chutney is ready. I add a pinch of salt as well. Now I'm gonna add this one yogurt in it. I will add only 3 tablespoons. So now I'm gonna mix it with the help of fork. So here you can see our fresh green chutney is ready. I really like whenever I have rice, I really like this green chutney. You can make it in 5 minutes. And then I have this salad bowl. I add some olives on the top as well. So it's really refreshing. So now the biryani is ready. I will dish it out and then I will show you. So here you can see our kebab biryani is ready. You can check the color. So one more interesting thing about is that I was not having any food color, orange or yellow. So what I did, I just took pinch of turmeric powder, add it in 1 tablespoon water, and just sprinkle it in the middle of these rice when they were on them. So you can see the color. Even the taste is not bad. You can now feel it. It's so good. So it's a tip. If you sometimes don't have the food color, don't worry, you can use the turmeric. But first time I use it, so it's a good experience. Why are you so happy? So how's the taste? Thank you. Ryan, do you like it? You want to eat? Daddy give him bite as well. Ryan, is it yummy? Yummy? Tell me, is it yummy? You want to eat more? Yeah, he wants to eat more.
Okay.